So the original video that I used to explain how to set up the PNG tubers is down. So I'm going to create a quick video just to explain how mine is set up. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. So let's get started. The things that you'll need is you're probably going to want to go ahead and have the images ready that you're going to use. So I put mine in Discord so that I can just right click, and then just copy the link. That's just in a separate channel. Then you're going to need the code, which I will provide here. You'll need your streamer ID, not streamer ID, but your Discord ID, which you can right click, hit copy here. And then you will need the URL right here for streamkit.discord.com/overlay. Oh, and of course you'll need a channel that you'll be using. In my case, I have a StreamKit channel in my Discord that I'll use, but in this case, we'll be using PNG TUBER test. Okay, so let's get started. First, you're going to want to go here to the streamkit.discord.com/overlay. Click install for OBS if you're using OBS. If you're not, then you're probably going to switch that. Go to voice widget. I already have my server name selected, so I'll be using my Rice Ninja server, and then I will go down to the PNG tuber test. And then you're just going to need this URL right here. You're going to hit copy. In your OBS, you're going to add a new source. It's going to be a browser source. We'll just add a new one. We'll just put test. Add source. And then you're going to paste that URL on this top field here. Next, you're going to take the code I mentioned earlier, just here. A couple of things. We need to change out user ID or the ID. Once again, right click your name, hit copy ID. That's all you need. And then you just paste it here. Then you're going to need to change out the images for when you're talking, when you're not talking. So I marked out non-talking and talking, if I can spell talking correctly. So those are where the URLs are going to go. So you're literally just going to go to your image, right click it. Well, click it first, of course. Right click it, hit copy link. This is going to be for when I'm talking. So paste it here. And then for when I'm not talking, once again, copy link. Go for non-talking, paste that in. And the way this is set up is I should jump every time it transitions. So with that, with those two copied in, I'm just going to paste this into the CSS block. And that should work. What does that do wrong? Oh, I know what I did wrong. You also need to remember to switch to the channel. So I'm in StreamKit. Go to the channel that you should be talking in, and it should work. You may need to you may need to adjust the height. You can cut off on the bottom. So I'm just gonna bump this up to 800 on the height. Well, maybe not quite 800 to 700. Well, you'll just adjust it to wherever you need it at. Maybe 650. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So yeah, um, that's how I have it set up. There's also So 700 it is, and then just hold Alt, and then move your little closey thing over so that you don't see the name. Yeah, okay, so that's how you do it. Damn. Um, imagine not being scuffed. But yeah, if you have any questions, feel free. I hope that helped.